Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for central Jefferson County in central Kentucky, northwestern Bullitt County in central Kentucky until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Valley Station, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fairview around 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hollywood and South Park View around 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Audubon Park, Blindview, Parkway Village, Poplar Hills, Okolona, and Newburgh around 11:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. West Bucol, Watterson Park, Hollow Creek, Tennessee Gardens, Stratton, Spring Mill, Highview, and Bucol around 11:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Linden, Douglas Hills, Hurstburg, Greenwood Dendale, Windy Hills, Hurstbourne Acres. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Tornado, and at least the potential for some wind damage, winds that could be 60, 70 miles an hour, in addition to that tornado spin-up.